Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
We're going to be making cranberry sauce. As you know, it's Thanksgiving. People make cranberry sauce. People see these bags of cranberries in their produce section. They don't know what to do with them. We're going to show you. If you do know what to do with them, this video is not for you. Let's get started.
Cranberry sauce, 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 cranberry sauce.
Oh, I love that Colbert show. And John Baptiste is right to be psyched about cranberry sauce. Here are the ingredients. After I rinsed and picked through the berries, they're ready to cook.
You tell everyone how to do it.
Okay, we're going to put a little water in here first. First we're going to turn this on.
What temperature? What temperature does it have to be on?
Well,
High?
high. And add a cup of sugar. And then we're going to have some orange peel. We're going to mix it a bit. And it's going to cook and they start popping.
Okay. You can hear them.
You can hear them pop.
Okay. Oh, I hear it heating up now.
Now that's heating up.
Let them simmer until they soften, about 10 minutes. Mash them if you want a smoother consistency.
Oh, that looks so hot. Don't burn yourself. Oh my God, it has so much flavor just like that? Just with sugar and water and that's it? Oh my God, you guys. So much flavor.
Delicious.
So now, when this is finished, which is just going to be a couple more minutes, you let it cool, and when you let it cool, does it thicken?
Well, it kind of thickens, yeah.
So you let it cool and it thickens. I cannot wait to put this on turkey. Well, that's it, you guys. Cranberry sauce, 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 cranberry sauce. That's me hanging on that last one now.
That was so easy and so good with turkey. Bon appetit!